Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. The formation of a joint cadre exclusively for the Union territories in the Indian Administrative Service by the Union of India, Respondent number 1 and the appointment of Respondents 2 to 37 to it have been challenged as unconstitutional and illegal in this batch of writ petitions. Stop. It is necessary to know therefore the constitutional and legal provisions under which the cadre was formed and the appointments to it were made. Stop. As decided in 1946 by the Conference of the Premiers of the Provinces and the Central Home Minister, the Indian Administrative Service and the Indian Police Service were constituted as all India services common to the states and union. Stop. For the creation of other all India services common to the Union and the states, the consent of the states was similarly required by Article 312(1) in the form of a resolution of the Council of States supported by not less than two-thirds of the members present and voting in the same way that the consent of the premiers of the provinces was necessary for the creation of the Indian Administrative Service before the commencement of the Constitution. Stop. Article 312(1) declared that the IAS, though created prior to the Constitution, was to be deemed to be a service common to the Union and the states created by Parliament under Article 312(1). Full stop. The All India Services Act 1951 being by its preamble and act to regulate the recruitment and conditions of service of persons appointed to the All India Services common to the Union and the states was therefore enacted by Parliament in exercise of the authority given to it by Article 312(1) and not under Chapter 1 of Part 11 of the Constitution read with Item 97 of the Union List of the 7th Schedule of the Constitution. Stop. Section 3 of the Act of 1951 empowers the central government after consultation with the governments of the state concerned to make rules for the regulation and recruitment and conditions of service of persons appointed to the All India Service. Stop. The Indian Administrative Service Cadre Rules 1954 and the Indian Administrative Service Recruitment Rules 1954 are made there under. Stop. The IAS was divided under these rules into several cadres, each cadre for a Part A and or Part B state as they were listed in the first schedule of the Constitution at its commencement. Stop. There could not be any cadre for such Part C states as were the successors of the pre-Constitution Chief Commissioners provinces inasmuch as these states were governed by the President. Stop. Part C states were states only in the territorial sense as a part of the territory of India was comprised in them. Stop. But they were not states in the sense of being legal entities as they had no internally sovereign executive or legislature created by the Constitution. Stop. The Constitution 7th Amendment Act 1956 more clearly brought out the distinction between Part A and Part B states on the one hand and Part C states on the other by substituting states simpliciter in place of Part A and Part B states and Union territories in place of Part C state. Stop. Like the Part C states, the Union territories also did not have a cadre of the Indian Administrative Service for themselves. Full stop. Over.